Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Today's video is sponsored by Luvme Hair and I have their glueless Partingmax wig. This unit came with all of these things that I'm showing you here, and I love that their name is on all of the items that they sent. Okay, now this is the wig straight from the pack. Okay, it came styled already, pre-bleached, pre-plucked with a deep side pattern. Okay, now I love that they already styled this wig. Like you don't have to do anything again. Look at how beautiful the coils are there. Okay, now this is how well it blend and matches my skin. All right, so it's an HD lace, guys, so you don't expect anything less. For the construction of the wig cap, it has this type of cap that you can easily scratch your hair, or breeze can be touching your hair while you're wearing this wig. So it is really, really nice with wig combs and adjustable band in it. And it has a very wide pattern space, you all like. This 7x6 closure wig can do same styles as the frontal wig. Okay, like you don't have to get a frontal if you have this wig, because you can do virtually everything that the frontal can do with this 7x6 lace closure wig. Okay, so I'm gonna start with brushing my edges, and I'm also wearing a brown wig cap, but the brown wig cap is optional. Okay, and before I wear this wig, I'm going to make sure that the band is well fitted. Like I'm adjusting the band to fit perfectly. All right, again, this is a glueless wig, so you want to make sure that your band fits very well to give you that, real glueless look. So after wearing the wig, this is what it looks like on me right now. When I tell you all that, this wig came already styled. Like you don't need to do too much or anything at all with this wig. Okay, now this is what I have here. You guys can see that with this 7x6 closure, like you can do virtually everything that a frontal can do. All right, and with less work. Okay, because with a frontal you need to do like install fully and all of that stuff, but with this you don't need to do those many installations, so this is a better option than a frontal. Okay, this 7x6 closure is a better option than a frontal, so I like you guys to get this wig. Okay, and just keep that frontal aside. All right, I'm going to leave all the details to this wig in my description box for you guys, just in case you want to get it. The link to the hair will be in my description box for you guys. Again, this video is sponsored by Luvme Hair, and this is their glueless Partingmax wig, and it's a loose body wave wig in 22 length. Okay, like in length 22, and it's ready to go wig, guys. Okay, but right now I'm just doing like little touches here and there on the wig before I show you guys the final look. Okay, like if you are the type that does not like doing too much, or you are the lazy type of wig girl, this wig is definitely a must have for you guys. Okay, like with this wig, not too much work, not too much stress. Okay, and it's just perfect. One thing with Love Me Hair is the quality of their wig. You guys already know that this is not my first time working with this brand, and I can tell you for free that the quality of their wig is top notch. Okay, like they have the best wig out there. Okay, and guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, please and please subscribe to this channel and turn on your post notification. All right, so when we post a new video, you'll be the first to get notified. Okay, and also share this video with your friends, your family, like those who want something really easy to wear, a beautiful wig. Okay, send it to them. All right, I'm combing out the coils of this unit just so you guys can see what it looks like when you comb out the coils of this unit, guys. Okay, it is full and the coils are looking so beautiful, guys. All right, I'm also going to coil back the unit, like not all of the wig. Okay, just a little at the front, and show you guys how easy it is for this unit to coil back. All right, like it's a quality hair, so you don't expect anything less. All right, so yeah, I'm just coiling up the unit and I'm going to show you guys how beautiful the coils came out. Okay,
I keep dreaming, but my dreams keep flying away. It's somewhere far beyond. Keep chasing them and I never rest for a day. There's something I don't do. I feel the wind blowing my face, but that's alright. I smile at people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's
the last step I am going to do is to apply powder at the front of the unit. This is just to blend in everything and give you that really natural and beautiful look. Okay, so I'm applying a dark shade powder at the front, and this is what I have, guys. Okay, this is so gorgeous, it looks so natural. And yeah, I'm just putting my comb in it to tell you guys that hey, this is glueless. Okay, like it's so perfect and really beautiful. I love how gorgeous the coils are, and I love this wig, guys. Okay, this is gorgeous. Quality is top notch. All right, and it's so easy to wear, easy to it's a ready to go wig, guys. Okay, and your girl is looking all gorgeous in this wig. I look so beautiful in this wig. The unit is perfect and a must have. All right, now I'll see you guys in my next video. Let me know in the comment section also what your take on this 7x6 closure wig is, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.
it's one of a kind.